Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalan from White Glove Models and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on kit 13 of the Gone in 60 Seconds Eleanor Mustang, and this looks like a pretty simple build as well and shouldn't take very long, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's head over to the workbench and get started. Alright, so here we have kit 13, which is, it looks like some of the door panels and, the trim that goes on those. And here is kit 13. Yes, it is trim. In this phase, you'll assemble the window winder handle, the kick guard, and the door panel trim. So just in case you guys were wondering, here's kind of what they show on the what you get in this kit, and they do label at least the names, and then you've got your DSO2, PSO5, and PSO4 screws, and all three of those we've already had in the past, so I've got my little bins out for them. And go ahead and open this up, and we're going to be installing the window crank first, it looks like. So let me open this pack up. So what we get to do is bring back our door here, and it's going to be facing this way, and you've got your little door handle here, or window crank. Not too shabby. Doesn't turn though. That's too bad. And it can only kind of go in one way. So that is going to be a PSO4 screw. I think I had used my PHO for that last time. It always tries to grab an extra one. Tries to bring a buddy with it. Sometimes the magnet works against you. Put that in this little hole there. Try a bigger screwdriver just to get more. Oh, there we go. Never hurts. So this is just the PHO. I kind of feel like I should use the PHO for about 90% of these. Don't want to over tighten it just because it is plastic and just still feels kind of loose there. I don't know. Yeah, can I get some more without stripping it? We're gonna leave it. I don't want to strip that out. And then we've got this little trim piece here. And yeah, you can tell they cut it off of a sprue. But honestly, and it does have the little L there, I don't think that's gonna show though, I'm hoping. Because this is one of those builds where I don't want to do a lot of extra work to it if I don't have to. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. That's too bad. But you know what? It is what it is. And if we decide to fix it down the road, we can. That is going to use the PS05. So we've got 2 of these bad guys going in there. Sorry. Tighten that one down. Again, you want to be really careful not to break anything like the lock, the little lock sticking up. Some of these you gotta tighten down really tight, and it's kind of scary. But it looks like it clipped in good. Everything looks fairly good. That is gonna bug me, but whatever. I'll get over it. I can always clean it up another time. So that is that part. And then oh, cool. So we don't do anything with this just yet. We get to bring over the door that we were working on, and it's going to go just in like this. Let me see if I can do this so you guys can see it too. Just want to make sure it lines up with its lugs. There it goes. I feel like this side should snap too, but it didn't. But that's okay, and we'll use 2 DSO2 screws, it says. These ones are pretty big, so I might get a PH1 screwdriver handy for this one. And that's this guy. It's just a standard screwdriver. Will it fit in the hole? That is the #1 question. Will it fit in the hole? So put it in there, start tightening it down, be very gentle. I probably should have dunked it in oil, but I didn't, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna go down a size. There we go. The next one I will dunk in oil. And I'm happy with that. That's good and secure. The door doodad works. So we'll grab our other one here. Give that a little splash in the 3-in-1 oil. And see how much nicer that one's going in because it has the oil. So let's just say I did that on purpose to show you guys why you need to dip it in 3-in-1 oil. That's the story I'm going with anyway. Cool, and that is on there. So now we've got pretty much a completed door. And the next page will be putting that little trim section on. And see, that's the thing too, is they never really tell you if you need glue or not, and I don't know. I'm just assuming that because they don't mention it, you don't bother with it. So again, this has an L on it, and you get to squeeze this. Just want to make sure I'm doing it right. Just gonna squeeze it down in there. And it's backwards because I'm a re-knob. So it goes this direction, Kalan. And yeah, seat it down. And just gotta push very hard to pop that into place. And there you go. There is your little door panel. That makes everything look pretty nice. And this guy works. This guy, you don't really want to move it too much, but it does move a wee bit. And there's your hinge. And that is the end of that stage.